Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find out-of-state owner homes on Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to use Propwire to find owners who are out of state and you want to capitalize them and message them. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that once you log into Propwire, you want to enter the zip code, address, city, or state over here in the upper left. So here we're just going to enter an Oregon zip code. The next thing that you want to do is you want to click on lead types, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says out-of-state owners. And if you don't know what out-of-state owners are, they're like absentee owners, but more motivated to sell because they're too far away to deal with the property in person. So if you click on out-of-state owners, you'll see that our search results have now been narrowed down to 1,170 search results. Now, if you want to download this list, you can click on the select all button and then click on the export option. And then you could actually go ahead and download it by clicking on this download button. And you can do a skip trace and download, or you can just do a simple download. What a skip trace and download is that it's going to give you the owner information on how to reach to them. So such as their email, phone number, and their social media profile so that you have a better time contacting them. If you do just a simple download, you will be able to get this information that you see here. So foreclosure details, tax details, mortgage and finance details, MLS listing details, and property and ownership details. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find out-of-state owners on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.